babes, and welcome back to the channel. So for today I finally got my hands on the Iluvsarahii and Colourpop collab Through My Eyes. This is a collaboration with Colourpop, and Iluvsarahii is probably like one of my most favorite influencers. I love and live for her glam looks. As you can see, she's also a fellow YouTuber and beauty influencer that serves us looks and traits and leads the way for influencers today. So I got my hands on her palette, and I must say her palette is freaking stunning. The collaboration, well, the inspiration came from a kaleidoscope, and I will also link her video down below because she goes into full detail. I did do swatches, however I didn't do swatches of the lipstick, but like I said, I will link her video down below, and all your questions, comments, and concerns shall be answered. But I only got the lip gloss. I did not get the nude lipstick and the other lipstick, and I wish I would have, because I wound up seeing Makeup Shayla's review, and honestly, you guys, you see all these collaborations and you're like, how many nudes do I need? But I felt like I needed that nude, and I think I am probably going to go back and get it, just because I also got the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and ooh girl, I primed my eyes with it, and I'm like, okay Colourpop, okay Colourpop, I see you. But I'm just going to show you guys the palette. It is, I don't know if you can see it with my lights, but it is absolutely stunning. Like, carrying out, she outdid herself again. Definitely going to give my full review and first impressions of this palette. And I must say off the bat, I love this. I love that it has a mirror. I love the color range. You can go from day to night. It's very universal. So let's get right into this makeup look and impression. I did it off camera, messed up, and then when I messed up, I did this, and I'm so happy that I messed up because this looks bomb. So forgive me if my lighting is kind of wonky. I'm trying to film with this natural light since it is the best. I'm just taking a big fluffy brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to I'm just going to dip into the shade Nostalgia, and I'm just going to build this color up to my liking. I only use 2 colors from the palette, but I plan on doing more looks, you know, Valentine's Day coming up, and I really want to use Nocturnal. So, but yeah, I just built this up, and I do it quite messily. I don't know if that's a word, but I do it quite messy. And then I also sweep this across my lid ever so lightly. Ever so slightly with no product, just ooh, just right across the lid. Pick up just a tad bit of product and ooh, right across, as if you were just doing a one like smoky. I just ooh, just right across. This is a little bit more precise, almost kind of like a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna place this right into my crease. And once again, build this to the intensity that I want. And I'm going to hop into the shade Misbehave. And then I'm just going to put Misbehave on this inner corner right here. Just pat it ever so slightly. And then when I'm blending it out, me coming in back and forth kind of creates like that halo-ish with the middle of the lid being naked. So I'm just brushing it ever so slightly, and then when I'm blending, it's kind of creating that halo effect already. Then I'm going to take some MAC mixing. I'm just going to put that in the center of my eyelid, let that dry, let it dry down first, and then I'm going to put on Mesmerize. There is kickback with some of the eyeshadows, and I know sometimes that really like bothers people. It however does not bother me, but I'm just letting you guys know. Spray some Mario Badescu water or any type of spray to make it more opaque. So I'm gonna do my liner and lashes off camera, and then I will return back to you with my lip portion of the video. And for lips today, I'm just going to be taking a brown lip liner. Then I'm going to be going in with the Balmain Paris lipstick from Maybelline. It's like a pretty nudie pink with like gold flecks in it. It looks like kind of similar to what her gloss looks like, and I'm sorry I did not include a swatch of that, but oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I definitely recommend you guys go getting this palette, especially if you're a beginner. It has very good color selection from day to night, and even if you're just a makeup hoarder like myself or a makeup collector. But you guys, like, I cannot stop looking. I so want to do the orange Memorize Me again, but like for an all orange look. Like, oh you guys, it's so nice. I wish I had some glitter. I'll throw some glitter on top, but you guys, let me stop rambling on. But she did it, period. This palette is amazing, and for the price point, y'all, spend your coin. Spend your coin. I couldn't. This is amazing, guys. Let me stop rambling because I literally cannot get over how beautiful I feel that my eyes look. Like this, you guys, bomb. You see my lips serving. So you guys, don't forget to give this video a like, comment below. Let me know if you're getting the palette. Let me know if you think it was worth it. If you have any questions about this palette, don't forget to leave those comment and questions down below. I do have a hair tutorial coming soon, and also for the way my face is looking, especially the powder that I use. I'm doing a review on the black opal powder, so stay tuned to that, and I will link them down below, or they will pop up somewhere on the screen. Y'all, Galure babes, we coming. 2019, we're coming.